crazy. Wildin' out here. Wildin'. Oh, no. No. Why is that happening?
Come inside, the rest. Just stay here, yeah? Is that okay? So nothing will not fly on you. Is this snowstorm that one?
Crazy. Whole boat is sideways. Can't even walk.
Be careful about the chair.
Okay. Oh my
Everything is
god.
moving, yeah? Be very careful. Take
Yes,
some time
yes.
over here. Yeah?
Okay. Woo. I just wanted some ice cream.
No ice cream.
No ice cream?
No.
No ice cream? No ice cream? Yeah, I don't think there is ice cream. Sorry. No ice cream, boys. The whole boat. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Crazy, guys. Crazy. I didn't bring my GoPro with me.
Code Alpha, Deck 7, Casino.
Crazy.
Code Alpha, Deck 7,
Holy shit, I was
Casino.
outside!
Code Alpha, Deck 7, Casino.
Holy shit. Holy shit. What's going on? What the hell's going on?
Go down to deck 7. The boat is tipped over this way.
Bro, I was outside when it happened. Holy shit.
Yo, you good?
Yeah, I'm fine. You just missed me, dude. Holy shit. You just missed me. What the fuck? Imagine if somebody was on a toilet. Bro, I was outside. Holy shit.
Dude, don't calm down,
In emergencies, they go. I'm gonna die.
Dude.
Holy shit.
No, I looked up. I swear to God.
Holy shit, guys. I just missed that. I was outside when that happened. What the fuck?
I looked up. I know, and I saw water touching.
Bro, I was outside when that happened. I was outside and made it inside as soon as all the fucking shit started flying in.
What is it, just wind?
It was, yeah, it was shit on the wind. Bro, like all the pool water started like slamming down. Holy shit.
This thing is still tilted. That part kind of worries me.
Holy shit.
All I saw was water.
What's the meeting?
4-7. 7, yeah.
Deck 7?
Yeah, deck 7.
Where are you at?
I have no idea. I don't even know what's going on.
Did people tell you to go to Deck 7?
They were like announcing that on the loudspeaker. Yeah, like some shit. Like, I'm lost. We're all lost.
She knows where to go.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm freaking out. Freaking out here. Holy shit.
7 more.
Everyone's freaking out. Oh my god. Good thing I have my phone to film this. Holy crap, guys. This is crazy right now. Wow. Wow. Wow, this is crazy. Oh wow. I was outside when that happened. Holy shit. Woo. What?
You felt.
I was outside.
I'm saying, how was the shoot?
It was like this, like that. And all the chairs started flying down, like they just missed me. I made it just inside as like it was
have any
happening.
video?
Yeah, I filmed it all. I filmed the whole thing. Woo. All right, guys, I think it's safe now. Safe to say we're okay. Catch you guys in the next one.